I've had another parcel delivered today. I've won it off eBay. In here should be a brushless Maverick Scout short course truck. I've won it on eBay. It's cost a total with package £50. It's just something I saw and decided to put a maximum on. £50. Win it or not, I wasn't really bothered. But I won it. It's not advertised as particularly in good condition. It's advertised as used. And it was also advertised as not working. But for £50, I thought it was a bargain. Give me something to do. So let's have a look what's in it. I love getting these parcels. It's so exciting. Something new. Well, the box says it's a Strada Evo XB, but inside I'm hoping it's going to be the short course truck. But let's have a see. I feel like you need some drums. Let's see. Well, it is a short course truck. Like I say, it's sold not particularly in the best of condition or working, but it was cheap. Let's get it out of the box. Well, inside the box I've got the car and a spare set of wheels. These are quite worn. You can see there. It's probably had a lot of use. They're like slicks. I don't think I've ever used any of these type of tyres before. We got the four wheels. Got a controller. We've got batteries in it. And I've got the car. Right, so it's quite dirty. Have a quick look round it. Got these, I think these are like gravel tyres, aren't they? Not too bad. They've got a bit of wear on them. Not quite a lot of big crack here, but I'll do a bit of repair work. Although to be honest, because it's a Maverick, I dare say a new shell for this will probably be really cheap, because Maverick obviously tend to be cheap. So let me just put this camera down and take the top off. Right, took the top off. Let's have a look inside. Well, at least it is brushless. It's got a Maverick engine in. I mean, I'm assuming this is quite an old model. I'm only assuming. If anyone knows any different, let me know. So there's switch wires. I don't think that's doing anything. I'll have a look at that. That's Dean's connector. Looks like it's had a couple of upgrades. Looking at the back there, you can see got some metal parts. It looks like that's a bit of an upgrade on both sides. And the suspension feels alright. Yeah, springing proper up. That's alright. Didn't come with a battery either. Not too bothered about that. Looking at the front, well, that's got some metal parts, knuckles, and at the end there where the drive dogs go in. So it has had some upgrade. Yeah, they don't feel too bad, to be honest. Don't look too bad. So it looks like it's going to need a little bit of work. It's a cheap bargain. I bought this just to bash and not particularly look after. And they give me something to tinker with. I don't really know. I'm going to try a battery. Just give me a minute. I put a battery in it here. It should be charged up. and there's nothing, absolutely nothing. So I'm wondering now, these wires that are snapped, if you look here, it looks like they broke off there. I might just have a quick little go at connecting them up. Right, this is a very, very temporary repair. Please don't think this is how I repair my cars. But I've just put that little wire together there, put the black one together, and I've just put a bit of tape on just for now. So that switch is now connected. So let's turn it on. Oh, we have lights. Well, that's a start. Have a see. Okay, and no drive. The fan's going. I can see the fan going there. And there's a red light on, so I'm not sure what the red light is. But in any case, even if I have to get a new ESC, no, we can get them cheap off eBay, can't we? About 20 quid. But something's happening, and that's the start. Let me just turn it off. So just moving on, I'm just looking at the gears here. Now that's actually looking quite a big gear there. Pinion and the spur, the big brass one and the plastic one, not too big, so I'm thinking this is probably going to be quite a fast truck. Now whether it's the ESC that's broke or whether the motor, I'm not sure. But I might even have a spare ESC. I know I've definitely got brushless motors in my box of bits. But I'll leave this running in no time. Just having a quick look underneath. I think it just needs a bit of TLC. Bit of TLC. It's feeling a bit loose. Just a few things need tightening up. I can see different types of screws here. So it's been used. They've had fun with this. But the £50, it's a brushless short course truck. I think it's well worth the money. It's not going to cost too much to repair this. So I'm going to leave it at that for tonight. Dana get on and play with it, but for now that's the car anyway. I'll hopefully get it going soon, get it out and see what it does. So watch this space. Just when you thought it was over, here I am, I'm back. Well, obviously, when I turned my camera off, I couldn't resist but to have a little play. And all I've done is swap these plugs around, and look at this. We have steering, and voila, we also have movement. So perhaps it isn't broke after all. It just does need a little bit of TLC. So I couldn't resist but to make this extra few seconds just to show you. Alright, see you later.